Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're going to act fast. Open Settings and go to Bluetooth and Devices, then toggle Bluetooth on so Windows actively scans for adapters. Make sure airplane mode is off and any physical wireless switch is set to on. That's why Windows might not see hardware. Next, open Device Manager, expand Bluetooth and confirm an adapter appears. If it's missing, click Scan for hardware changes. Once done, you'll know whether software or hardware is preventing the connection. Now fix the drivers and services. In Device Manager, right-click the adapter, choose Update Driver. If that fails, uninstall the device and reboot so Windows reinstalls it automatically. Run the built-in Bluetooth troubleshooter from Settings for guided checks, and open Services to ensure Bluetooth support service is running and set to automatic. Also open the Adapter Properties, Power Management tab, and uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to prevent sleep interruptions. This reduces drops and pairing failures. Finish by restarting both the PC and the Bluetooth device, then attempt pairing from Settings Add Device. Pick Bluetooth and follow prompts. If pairing still fails, download and install the OEM Bluetooth driver from the laptop or adapter maker. Generic drivers sometimes lack full functionality. If nothing changes, check BIOS to ensure integrated Bluetooth is enabled, or use a certified USB Bluetooth dongle as a fallback. Key tip: if persistent
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.